Well, hello, Itty here, and we're going to do a simple video of this amplifier right here. Finally got around to actually just plugging it through the reamp process. Used a couple different guitars. We used that Ibanez right here for the metal and the crunch and all that kind of stuff for the other like humbucker versions. And then we used this guitar right here just on the first of the crunch and the clean channels and stuff like that. So that actually has the Andy Timmons rails. I can't remember what they're called right off the top of my head, but they're DiMarzios, cruisers. That's what they are, something like that. But those are the ones we use for the first clips. And then this one actually has Sir pickups in it. I think they're HHS Plus, the Doug Aldrich versions, but there is no pedals. None of this stuff exists into the mix. We're gonna do that on a totally different video. But the idea is very simple. We just wanted to just do a real-time straight into the guitar with the reamp, and again explained in a second, which is just recording straight through the Axe-Fx to get some just a clean, simple tone. So let's get into it and hope you enjoy it. All right, and welcome back. All right, so what we got here is this is just going to be a really simple, basic video. I just want you guys to hear this. It's kind of weak. This is just a very simple, clean guitar that I played on that brown Strat right there. Basically using the Axe-Fx as just the direct end. There was no preamp, there was no nothing actually in the signal chain at all. But I went and used this as the input source, which you can do, and you can adjust the volume. But it lacked a little bit of a sparkle. It was a little bit dull. It sounded good, but it just was a little bit dull. So it's good, but it just didn't sound as clean as the Axe-Fx going through here. So that's just what that is. So what we're going to be piping this out of Cubase. Is going to be going out into the canvas reamp, and then it's just going straight into the amplifier. Then we're going out of the amplifier into the Rivera Rock Crusher, and then basically back into Cubase, and then it's going to be recorded onto this track here. And for obviously feedback loops and stuff like that, we can't hear the thing in real time, but we'll be able to hear it through the speaker. So that's why I got this camera set up, and we're just going to go ahead and start recording. Just to give you an idea. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna play around with some of the settings and just record in real time and just show you guys what it's gonna sound like. And this is me not playing live, it's just me tweaking the amp in real time so you can see what the switches and the things do. So we'll move over to the other camera.